2025 Pete 567. Got an X15 5.25 Cummins with an Allison automatic, AR 450 body with the high lift gate. It's got a 13.5 steerable lift axle, 20 fronts, 46 rears, sitting on Hallmax suspension. It's also got the pintle hitch package on the back of it. Truck's never hauled a load. Sitting on 11R 24/5 tires. We do have 4 of these in stock. FET is already paid. Factory warranty. Four and a quarter floats on the front. Trucks are ranging around 1,571 miles, just transportation from their body company. They do have navigation system, full locking rears, on the lot for delivery today. Smart wheel. Got any questions? Give us a call at 434-770-5201.